What if I told you that you could start using artificial intelligence in your business without writing a single line of code? In this video, you'll discover 10 powerful AI tools that anyone, yes, even beginners, can use to transform how small businesses work. So stick around and let's unlock the future of your business together. First up, we've got ChatGPT. Imagine having an employee who can answer customer emails, write blog posts, even craft engaging social media content, all while you focus on the bigger picture. Need to draft a quick email to a customer asking for feedback? Just give ChatGPT a prompt and boom! It generates a polished, professional email in seconds. ChatGPT can help you find the right words to connect with your audience, whether it's through a warm welcome message on your website or a compelling Instagram caption. And the best part? It's constantly learning and evolving, getting better with every interaction. ChatGPT offers a free plan that's more than enough to get you started. So, if you're ready to free up some time and improve your communication, ChatGPT is your new secret weapon. Next up, we're diving into Notion AI, a tool that's all about streamlining your business operations. Think of Notion as your digital command center, where you manage everything from internal documents and meeting notes to project plans and marketing calendars. Notion AI supercharges your workflow with features like instant summarization, content generation, and even task prioritization. Imagine having a mountain of meeting notes, and instead of spending hours sifting through them, Notion AI can summarize the key takeaways in seconds. Need to brainstorm blog post ideas or come up with a catchy tagline for your new product? Notion AI can help you break through creative blocks and generate fresh, innovative ideas. Notion AI integrates seamlessly with your existing Notion workspace, so you don't have to jump between different tools or platforms. It's all right there, ready to streamline your operations and boost your productivity. Okay, let's talk about websites. In today's digital world, your website is your storefront, your portfolio, your everything. But building a website from scratch, that can feel like a daunting task. That's where Durable comes in. Durable is an AI-powered website builder that makes it ridiculously easy to create a professional online presence for your small business, even if you've never written a line of code in your life. Imagine typing in your business idea and having Durable instantly generate a complete website with images, copywriting, and even contact forms. So, if you're ready to ditch the excuses and finally launch that website you've been dreaming of, Durable is the tool you've been waiting for. Chapter 4. Descript Edit Videos. Like a pro, no film school required. Now let's talk video. Whether you're creating content for social media, internal training videos, or even product demos, video is king. But traditional video editing? It can be time-consuming and, let's be honest, a little intimidating. That's where Descript comes in, changing the game with its AI-powered editing magic. Descript is like having a professional video editor at your beck and call, but without the hefty price tag. It uses AI to transcribe your videos so you can edit them like a document. So whether you're a seasoned video pro or just starting out, Descript can help you save hours of editing time and create professional-looking videos that captivate your audience. Chapter 5. Pictory. Turn text into engaging videos in a flash. Not everyone feels comfortable being on camera, but that doesn't mean you have to miss out on the power of video marketing. With Pictory, you can transform your written content into engaging videos. No filming, no editing, no problem. Pictory uses AI to analyze your text and automatically creates visually appealing videos complete with music, stock footage, and even voiceovers. Imagine taking your latest blog post and turning it into a shareable YouTube video in minutes. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of video marketing without the hassle of traditional video production, Pictory is the tool you've been waiting for. Chapter 6. Tidio, your 24/7's AI-powered customer support team. Let's face it, providing exceptional customer support is crucial for any small business. But what if you could offer 24/7 support without hiring a team of agents? That's where Tidio comes in, your new AI-powered customer support sidekick. Tidio is like having a friendly chatbot available around the clock to answer customer questions, resolve issues, and even collect valuable feedback. It integrates seamlessly with your website or online store, providing a seamless experience for your customers. Tidio also offers live chat functionality, so you can jump in and provide personalized support whenever needed. And the best part? Tidio offers a free plan that's perfect for small businesses just starting out. Chapter 7. Your brand is more than just a logo, it's the face of your business, the first impression you make on potential customers. But hiring a professional designer can be expensive, especially when you're just starting out. That's where Looka comes in, your AI-powered design partner. Looka makes it incredibly easy to create a professional logo and brand identity that captures the essence of your business. Simply answer a few questions about your brand, your style preferences, and your target audience, and Looka's AI algorithms will generate a range of logo concepts for you to choose from. So you can launch your brand with confidence, knowing that you have a professional and cohesive look that represents your business in the best possible light. Chapter 8. Copy.ai- Write high-converting marketing copy that converts. Writing compelling marketing copy can feel like a superpower, but what if I told you that you don't need to be a wordsmith to craft copy that converts? That's where Copy.ai comes in, your AI-powered writing assistant. Copy.ai is like having a team of expert copywriters at your disposal, ready to help you write everything from website copy and social media captions, to email campaigns and product descriptions. Simply provide some basic information about your product or service, your target audience, and your desired tone of voice, and Copy.ai will generate a variety of copy options for you to choose from. And the best part? Copy.ai offers a free trial so you can experience the power of AI-powered copywriting firsthand. Chapter 9. Zapier. Automate your workflow and reclaim your time. As a small business owner, time is your most valuable asset. But too often we get bogged down in repetitive tasks that drain our energy and stifle our productivity. That's where Zapier comes in, your new secret weapon for workflow automation. Zapier connects your favorite apps and automates tasks between them, so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. You don't need any coding skills or technical expertise to create powerful automations, and the best part? Zapier offers a free plan that's perfect for small businesses just starting out. Chapter 10. Tascade, your all-in-one collaboration and project management hub. Keeping your team aligned and on track is crucial for any successful project. But managing tasks, deadlines, and communication can quickly become overwhelming, especially as your team grows. That's where Tascade comes in, your all-in-one collaboration and project management hub. Tascade combines the power of task management, mind mapping, and real-time collaboration in one intuitive platform. Imagine being able to create a detailed project roadmap, assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, share files, and communicate seamlessly, all in one central location. And the best part? Tascade offers a free plan that's perfect for small teams just starting out. We post every week.